I faced the rejection after rejection, wondering if I could find the right career path. Without giving up, I decided to focus on myself, upskilling, learning, and believing that my turn would come. I enrolled in Simplilearn's Data Analytics and Generative AI program, which provides hands-on projects, mentorship, and confidence to face the interview. This program not only strengthened my technical skill, but also prepared me for my complete domain change. Today, I transitioned from accounting to working as an MIS executive, confident, skilled, and grateful for how far I come. Hi, my name is Aleena. This is my journey. I'm from Trivandrum, Kerala. I graduated from Mar Ivanios College, Trivandrum in 2020 in Bachelor Degrees in Economics. Right after graduation, I worked as an account executive for almost 3 years. While I was working for a startup, even at that time, I was preparing for data analytics with the help of YouTube and other online courses, but it was just a passive learning. I want to have a deep understanding of the tools for the data analytics and also able to do a real-time projects to land the job that help me to use all these tools. That's how I finally reached the Simplilearn. At first, I was reluctant because it was not easy to trust anything you see in online. So I decided to went through all the feedbacks and reviews, which was actually very positive, and that's how I finally decided to take the Simplilearn. In my opinion, it was actually the mentorship that stood out the most. Even though I didn't have a technical background, they patiently guided us throughout the courses and helped us master the skills. Before the course, I didn't have much confidence to use these tools in anywhere. I had little knowledge, which I got it from a few courses I took. But after I started learning from Simplilearn, I would say, and after doing real-time projects, which actually helped me to confidently use these tools in my job itself. I was rejected by many companies. They turned down my applications. At first, I was reluctant to move on, but instead of giving up, I decided to keep applying. Really want to thank all the career support team. If it weren't for them, I would say that I wouldn't land a good job at Ultratech. I believe that it's the continuity in what you're learning is the only solution that makes you successful. Journey is hard. Don't compare yourself with other people and focus on yourself and your strength and continue learning.